Okay, congratulations. You have finished your 3D print on Tinkercad, and now you would like to set it up to print. So the first thing you need to do is go here to where it says Export, click it, go down to where it says STL and click that. Now you'll see down here at the bottom it has downloaded it. Good. Now the next thing you need to do is go down to the bottom where you can type into search for programs, and you want to search for Cura. So you click on Cura, and it takes a minute to open up. If you would like to do this on the standalone computer, feel free, as long as nobody else is using it, and the Cura will come up faster that way. Now, you can X out of this, X out of this. You want to make sure that this says PLA and this is at 0.6 millimeters. If it says 0.4, it's important that you change it or it won't print correctly. And you want to click the box that says Build Plate Adhesion. Alright, so this basically is the inside of the printer, and this is the adhesion plate upon which the print will be printed. Now you have to get your print from Tinkercad into Cura. So you go File, Open Files, and then in Downloads, make sure you're in Downloads, you will find what you just printed, what you just exported. Okay? Then you're going to open it, and it's going to pop it here, and you can slide it across. And then what I would like you to do is go to File again, go File, Save As, and you want to go, it's going to look like this. It's going to look this PC. So click on this arrow, go down to White Pine, and then go to Student. Okay? So again, it's this PC, White Pine, right here, White Pine, and then go down to Student, and you can double click on Student, and then find the folder that says DT, that's for Design and Tech, so click it. Alright, now whoever your teacher is and whatever day you're in, go ahead and save it there. So if you're in Miss Bryant's A day, put it here, Mr. Vincent's B day, put it there, doesn't matter. So click, Open, and then go ahead and save it. Alright, once it's been saved, go back and change the name to be your name. Okay, now this print I'm going to delete because that's one I did earlier. Okay, now you have saved it on the correct drive in the correct folder. Alright, now, but you still have a few more steps before you can print it. The next thing that you need to do is, if you're not already at the standalone computer, you need to go to the standalone computer and you need to get this SD file, and you need to, and the adapter, the SD card, and you need to plug it into the computer. And then, because what you're going to do is you're going to use this little card in order to print it. So what you do is go up to, or go back to, White Pine Student, DT, wherever you put it, open it up, and you always want to open it up in Cura. So we've got Cura open, go here, and down at the bottom, right here, it says Save to Removable Disk. So you want to, oh, I'm sorry. You go here, that's what you do. Go back here. You don't have to open up Cura. And you'll see where it says USB drive right here. That's where you want to put it. So you're just going to take it and drag it onto the USB drive. And now when you open up the USB drive, you'll see that KD1 is on there. Okay? So you are going to take it from the file that is this PC, White Pine, Student, Design and Tech, whatever class you're in, and you're going to drag it to the USB drive. Which is right here. Okay, so you're going to drag it and put it in there. Okay? Alright, now you have successfully put your creation on the SD drive. So now what you have to do is you need to eject, which is this button up here, but yours will probably be at the bottom. So you're going to click this, and it's going to say eject. So we're going to do that. Eject USB drive. Excellent. Then you take out the little drive, and you're going to go put this into the 3D printer, and you are going to print your design. So you put it in the 3D printer, you spin the little wheel until you find your print, till it says KD1, you hit the button, and you let it print. Now, what I want you to do next is, once you've gotten that done, I want you to go back, and I want you to delete it. So go back to White Pine, Student, Design and Tech, whatever class is yours, and I want you to delete it. Yes. And the reason for that is so that we don't have a bunch of unprinted items in this folder. So Ashlyn has printed hers, so I'm going to delete hers. And now I know that there's nothing pending to be printed. So your responsibility is to get your item into the correct folder, get it from the folder into the SD card, get the SD card in the printer and print it, and then after that you can delete it off of this file. Remember that it's still in Tinkercad. It's still here. So if something went wrong or if you needed to redesign it, you absolutely could do that. You absolutely could redesign it and export it again.